Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video I'm going to do the quick initial setup in the Realme Pad Mini tablet. Right now, as you can see, this is a Realme Pad Mini tablet which I'm trying to use exactly in this video, and this is my first time doing this kind of setup process, and I'll try to show you exactly how the setup process is exactly right now. And let me do setup offline. So right now I'm trying to set up with the offline and try to select the date and time and everything. So right now the day is about May 4th and the time is about, I think exactly, let me check. So 4:30 around that kind of time. So 4:30 next. So if you want, you can enable, or you can, if you want, you can disable that. So my variant is 4GB RAM version. That's the reason you are seeing this GPS. And if you want, you can skip this lock screen setup as well. I mean, pattern or any kind of Face ID, if you want, you can skip it. And that's it. This is a quick and very fast setup process in the Realme Pad Mini tablet, which you can actually have right now. As you can see exactly, that's it. Very fast and very smooth, no issues with that. Meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. I'll stay tuned for more updates and bye.